Good evening, everybody. It's Avril from Mitchy Titch Yoga here. We're going to be reading a lovely story by Milbourne and illustrations by Eleanor Temperin. It's called The Windy Day. Can you see? What is this little girl carrying here? One of my favourite things, a kite. So are we ready? I think we'll all start. The Windy Day by Milbourne, and I will show you the lovely pictures as we go through by Eleanor Temperin. Have you ever wondered what sways the trees and makes leaves dance across the grass? Oh, look. It's nothing you can see, and it's nothing you can hold. But if you go outside on a windy day, you can certainly feel it. It's the air moving around. It ruffles your hair and snatches your hat, almost as if it wants to play. If you roll out the string of a big bright kite, then throw the kite into the air and run as fast as you can. The wind might catch it and make it fly. Oh, wow, look. It dips and dives and swoops around, held up by the invisible wind. Oh, it's like magic. All at once, a blustery gust tosses the kite into a tree. The wind is rough and tumbly along the cliff. It rushes in from the sea and stumbles over the bumpy land. But out on the open sea, the wind blows steadily for miles and miles. It fills the boat's sails, making them billow, and pushes the boat across the waves. Oh, wow. You see all of the different coloured sails and the different patterns. Be nice to draw a picture like that, wouldn't it? High in the sky, seagulls cry, and their voices are carried away on the wind. They tilt their wings to catch the breeze and ride it back to shore. Wow, look. See how he's gliding. It's too blowy for little birds to fly around, so they huddle up on a branch and wait for the wind to go away. And at the foot of the tree, there's a sheltered spot where animals hide from the chilly wind, tucked into holes and piles of leaves. As the wind rustles a sycamore tree, a twirly seeds are shaken free. They spin down and down and down. The seeds lie scattered on the ground, and soon they'll start to grow into new sycamore trees. Further along the cliff tops stands a row of tall white windmills. Wind blowing in from the sea slowly pushes these sails around and around. Have you ever seen wind sails this big? They're huge, aren't they? The turning windmills make electricity, which is sent through wires to nearby towns. It lights up the lights there and makes all kinds of things work. You might wonder if the restless wind ever gets tired of blowing. But even when the wind dies down where you are, do you know it's always blowing somewhere? You see? It's a nice story, isn't it? It helps us think about those windy days and you can get out your kite. If you don't have a kite, you could try making one. Or you could draw some and colour them in so brightly with beautiful patterns. And the same for the sailboats. Maybe you could draw some sails and make beautiful patterns on those too. So thank you for joining me. Snuggle on down, ready for bed. Take a nice big deep breath. Close your eyes. And maybe you can drift off, thinking of the wind blowing and the kites in the sky. Good night, everybody. I'll see you all soon. Namaste.